Hello guys, welcome back in this new video analysis. Today I'm gonna show you a summary for the week ahead and one need to be careful about the actual situation related with the war and also what we need to be careful when trading. So let's go on with the first one, the S&P 500. During when US announced the problem with the war situation, we saw this type of movement on the S&P 500 here. We need to be careful because the price can move below the structure and after that all the way down. So this is a crucial point. If this is not going to happen, the price is blocked between two zones, the lower one and the upper one at 4,300, 4,700. But anyway, we need to see how this will develop. So just focus on the lower part. If this is going to be broken, everything will move down. The indexes and also the stocks as well. The next one the next one is Nasdaq. As we can see, price is inside this type of bearish pattern here. It doesn't matter how we call it. It can be this kind of movement overall for the bigger structure. Look at how it looks like here. So the crucial point here is this green area at 13,800. So just focus on that area up to that moment. As long as this small support area here is holding the price up, we can see this type of movement. So everything is possible. Anyway, I wouldn't suggest to trade it or move your stop loss at this point if you want to trade the long positions here. If you want to trade the shorts, wait for pullback and you can sell up to this area because probably the bearish momentum can push the price lower in this situation. The next one is oil. It's very difficult situation because if Russia and Ukraine are going to fight with each other, probably the oil will move higher because of the oil demand. So this is very tricky. Anyway, in this situation here, the price is stopped at our zone, but for the time being, this is driven from the news event and I don't like it anymore. But the price is reacting very well again. So we can see it moving lower. I hope they are not going to share any strange news during the week ahead. Also, we have gold here. Look at the price broke out from the first structure resistance. Now this is turning to support the structure here, and if price is going to break all of those structures, it is going to move higher. Just keep in mind that during these problematic situations, Chief and Yen are safe haven currencies, and gold is included as a commodity safe as well. So also gold and silver may increase if the war will begin between the two countries. So it's very dangerous to trade some of them. Anyway, if you trade with a wide stop loss because the market will be volatile, we can be safe on our trading. The next one is Aussie New Zealand. As we have pointed out also during the previous week, this was our support and resistance area. As you can see here, price moved higher from 1.07 up to 1.0770. So this is going to move lower again as it looked like, and we are in a range trading here. It can break on the downside or on the upper side. Anyway, I'm focused for the sell scenario here. Also, if you sell at this point where the price is right now, you know where are the stop losses because I've shared them on the group. As I see, the situation looks very calm in many of the currencies and the market overall. We didn't have experienced any big gap, so all is good as it seems. This is from the previous week when it was posted. Price reached the first target is 130 points here, and probably it can continue moving lower. Also from the news related with the increase of the interest rate during February. Euro GBP, this is a trade that we shared on Friday. As we can see, price made the movement. It was at this point when I shared the analysis, and it moved down. Anyway, this was because of the news. But also from the technical perspective, the price should continue moving lower in this situation to complete the pattern. This is a beautiful trade as well. Look at the daily candle, how this was closed here, very bearish candle. We have this type of channel, bearish channel, sorry. We have this bearish channel, price broke down, so we are watching here a strong price reaction, so probability very high for a decrease in momentum and a bearish wave. This is very good also from the technical perspective. Just keep your stop loss where I shared it in the group, and this is going to be our profit target for this situation. GBP New Zealand, I'm still bearish on this movement. We can see it moving lower despite the fact that it corrected almost all the move on the upper side. Aussie CAD has an inverse head and shoulder, and also New Zealand CAD has an inverse head and shoulder. We need to be careful with these two because CAD is currency commodity related, and it can push the price lower in this situation because the oil prices are moving higher because of the problem with the war. So stay out of these two despite the fact that we have very good pattern. We don't have to be in the middle. Also New Zealand Chief was a good trade. It was initiated somewhere here. First target was reached. Don't trade this anymore because we are related with Chief, and many traders will move on the Chief if something is going to be announced. From the technical perspective, we have Bitcoin in this chart. Price can also come down to test the lower of the structure, and after that it can move higher. This can be moved down from the news as well. So everything can be corrected deeper. Also Ethereum, we got this trade at this point almost 30%. We can see a correction, deep correction here before the next movement, or it can come also at this point, the support area that is very deep here. It's something that it can happen, so we can rule out all the possibilities for these trades. The next one is Qcoin. This is following step by step the decrease in the price of Bitcoin. It's very strange how this is reacting. It looks very good indeed. We can see the same situation here, probably a retest of the support area, and after that move higher again. XRP, this was a trade that was initiated in two parts. One was somewhere here, and this was the next one that was beautiful, and 50% close of the profits here, somewhere of near 0.92. So also this can make a correction before moving again higher. So let's focus on this one again. And also Binance Coin, as we can see, this is moving down in this channel. It can continue moving down also to come lower before moving higher again, because we are not watching any strong price reaction there. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to press the like button. Bye bye.